This electric standing desk from VIVO offers a smooth transition between sitting and standing, making it easy to change posture throughout the workday without interrupting your focus. The spacious one-piece tabletop provides plenty of room for multiple monitors, a keyboard, and accessories, while maintaining a clean, seamless surface that resists everyday scratches. A strong electric motor quietly drives the height adjustment over a wide range, so users of different heights can dial in an ergonomic position whether they prefer to sit low or stand tall. The steel frame feels reassuringly solid and is engineered to support a substantial amount of equipment, helping the desk stay stable even with heavy monitors and peripherals. Its simple control panel includes memory presets that let you store favorite heights, so you can return to your ideal sitting or standing position with a single button press. Overall, the VIVO 1B series electric standing desk combines sturdy construction, generous workspace, and convenient electric height controls into a reliable upgrade for a healthier home or office setup.